Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Ovation Guitar. It's Kid LAROI, always interesting to cover his songs. This time, a Coldplay. Let's make it hot with 4 chords, and that's it, rolling through the entire song. Let's go into it. And we have the capo set here on the 3rd fret. That is the absolute best center for us. Let's dive into the 4 chords needed, starting with the D sus2, okay? Gonna play that with open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Next chord is the B7 sus2. Okay, so it's a bar chord here. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret. You push down all strings except for the last E string here. So the 5 strings below on the 2nd fret, and then you just add the 4th fret on D string, and that's it. Next chord will be a G add 9 chord. So we have 2 positions here that are the most important. So that will be to place the finger, ring finger I use here on the 3rd fret E string. And either you can mute the next string with that finger you're using, you can just lean on top of the A string, or you can use your index finger and place it on the 2nd fret A. It's up to you, it's good both ways. Either you mute it or place it on the 2nd fret A. Then you continue with the open D, and then 2nd G, and open B, and open E. Okay, so that is the G add 9 chord, and then the 4th and final chord is a plain A, and it goes like that. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And there you have the chord progression from D sus to the B7, to the G add 9, and to A. Now, I have given this a strumming pattern. It sounds like this. Okay, so it's first down, up, if you grab the D sus chord. And then comes clap, up, down, up. And that is 1 round, so down, up, clap, up, down, up. And a couple rounds. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 of these strumming rounds per chord in the same order we learned. So D sus2, B, G, and A. Again. Beautiful sound there, actually, and that's a great song. Another one from the Kid LAROI. It's called a Coldplay. Good luck with that, guys. Hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.